In today's fast-paced world, teachers, parents, and administrators, are you tired of the endless challenges in communication, homework management, and administration for students? Teachers, are you exhausted by the hectic task of tracking and efficiently distributing students' homework? Parents, are you overwhelmed by the struggle to stay informed about your child's homework, fees, progress, and academic performance? School administrators, are you feeling the weight of managing teachers, subjects, and fees all at once? Fear no more. Unlock a seamless educational experience with the digital diary. Teachers can effortlessly upload and distribute assignments. Parents can gain easy access to their child's assignments, performance tracking, and direct communication with teachers. Administrators can efficiently manage teachers, subjects, and administrative tasks, all within one user-friendly platform. Say goodbye to lost papers, missed deadlines, and inefficiencies. Embrace the digital diary for a streamlined and efficient management. Visit our website or contact us today to transform your child's educational journey.